Hello and welcome back to another NFT Atlas video, and today we have an exciting video about the new Coinbase NFT Marketplace platform. It has released today in beta. As you can see up here, it is still in beta, but it's very exciting as it is now a new marketplace that is different in its own right in comparison to its probably main competitor that we all have heard of, OpenSea. So there's an article here that I've just pulled up from The Verge, announcing Coinbase launches social in the NFT marketplace in limited beta. Coinbase announced Wednesday that NFT Marketplace is now in beta and accessible to a small set of beta testers who will be invited based on their position. So there is a waitlist to actually get onto the Coinbase to get an account, but we can still go through the website and show you how it works, and show you some features of the website. But just now, to log in and to get an account, we can't just now. You have to put yourself on a waiting list, which we can show you today, so you can actually get an account in the future. It does talk about here about how it all works. And there is social features, a comment system with upvotes and downvotes. So again, just kind of like Instagram or Facebook. This is what makes this marketplace a bit different from anything else that we've seen before. It is a bit more unique, and allows itself to be a bit different from its competitors. So this is the website itself. This is the Coinbase marketplace for NFTs, and there's lots of different tabs that you can go through to begin with. First of all, to actually try and make an account, if we go into the sign in option at the top right, you'll see here enter invite code. So as I say, you have to be invited to actually log on to the website or create an account. Without an invitation code, we can't actually click the account or set up an account. But you can click here, and where you can click on the when can I join page, and we'll see here create, collect, connect coming soon. So the website's actually coming out as beta soon, but you can join the waitlist to get early access. If you scroll down to the bottom, it says join a waitlist for early access. After you're on the waitlist, you'll get a referral link to share. Be first in line for early access by referring others. The more you refer, the higher up the line you go. So you can put your email in here to join the waitlist, and once you've joined the waitlist, you can refer people that you know to also join the waitlist, and that will allow you to go higher in the queue to actually join the beta quicker. So if you know lots of friends, or if you're an influencer, you can use that to your advantage to rank higher in the waiting list. So you can put in your email and tick the box here that you understand and join the wait list. And at the time of this recording, you can see, guys, it is experiencing high traffic. So that's a good sign. It shows that the marketplace is looking to really be a success, and also obviously there's a lot of traffic coming into the website. If you go back to the main page forever, we can start looking through the website, and you can see there's lots of different tabs to go through. First of all, just the discover page is very interesting. Straight off the bat, you can tell the kind of vibe they're going for. It's not like OpenSea. It's very clean looking, and it's almost like Instagram. You can imagine yourself being on your phone and scrolling through this, and you can see you got the hearts, the comment icon. It tells you when it was last sold, and it really actually exposes lots of different NFT projects. You can really start seeing how this can really help promote NFTs, your NFT project, by getting out there, and people can come across it and really expose some new projects to the user. On the right hand side as well, this is where again it gets a bit different. We have trending collections. I think that's similar to OpenSea, but the accounts to follow. So again, you can almost be like an influencer, like you are on Instagram or even Twitter, and more commonly for NFTs. but you can make an account and become almost an influencer in the Coinbase Marketplace. So if you load up accounts to follow, you can see there's obviously different influencers here. Now, as I say, it's in beta, so we don't know that many people here, but you can see you can attach it to your Twitter. You can see here now I've clicked on the somebody's profile. I've got little newbie, but it links to the Twitter. You can see here I can click Twitter and see this person's actual Twitter account. You can see how many are following and how many followers they have and when they join. So you can almost get like an OG status depending on when you join. So getting in early is also a good option. But you can scroll down, you can get their wallet ID and NFT that they own. So you can see their history and what their kind of collection that they have is like. And of course, you can choose to follow them back and follow them yourself, so you can see them in your own Instagram, or in this case Coinbase feed. In the top you can see the trending tab as well. It's similar to OpenSea, but you can see again a breakdown of popular NFT collections, and as unsurprisingly Moonbirds is at the top. With a trading volume of probably everything, more than everything here combined. It's doing actually insane. But clicking on here, you can see what the interface looks like. Again, not too different to what we're used to in OpenSea. But again, it looks really clean. It's very easy to see and understand, and you can really browse through this quite happily. And if you did go to the shop tab at the top here, you can even filter out collections you want to shop through. Let's say you want Moonbirds or Zuki. You can set your min and max Ethereum range, and you can see here the collection of NFTs that you can go for or purchase. We click this one here, you can see all the attributes that it has specifically on the right hand side, who it was owned by, and the connected wallet that's created by. You can see down here, which is what makes this platform really unique, the comment section. You can see it's got 2 likes, 7 comments, and its activity as well. But the comment section is what makes this different. This is unique to this website. Nothing else, no other marketplace has this, and this is what makes this platform engaging. This is really important. Engagement is what promotes a community. It promotes the NFT collections. It can engage people and allow people to talk about the project, what they like, and it's a valuable information you can obtain from this. This is new, and this is what makes this stand out. This is what makes this unique. So just to create your profile, you can see here at the bottom of the website, all you need is a crypto wallet, any crypto wallet. So we're building a social marketplace powered by the Web3. You won't need a username or password. All you need is self-custody of your own crypto wallet as your digital passport to log in. Okay. You also use it to pay off stuff and store your NFTs, but right now they only support Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, and more. Okay, so lots of options for you. I'm sure we have one of these. If not, you can always get a Coinbase Wallet, and onto their website here you can just download Coinbase Wallet and set it up. But that's everything for just now for this video, guys. So really exciting to see how this pans out, how this platform uses its comment section and its new potential. We'll certainly see in the next couple of weeks, couple of months, as this opens up out of beta. But certainly make sure you guys get your account at the ready, and make sure you get the username that you want. As it stands just now, there's obviously a closed beta of a small number of profiles just now. So get in early, make sure you get your username that you like, and get involved in this new platform, this new marketplace, and build your community. This is what it's all about. Okay, guys, thanks very much for watching. Peace.